Why is pituitary gland control neural and hormonal? Imagine a tiny gland at the base of your brain that acts like a command center for your body's hormones. That's the pituitary gland, a small but mighty part of your endocrine system. It's often called the master gland because it helps regulate so many vital functions. But how does it do this? Well, it actually uses two different ways to control what it does. One is through nerves, and the other is through hormones. This combination makes it incredibly effective at keeping your body balanced. Let's start with the anatomy. The pituitary gland has two main parts. The front part, called the anterior pituitary, and the back part, called the posterior pituitary. The posterior part is directly connected to a part of your brain called the hypothalamus by nerve fibers. These fibers are like tiny electrical wires. When your brain sends a nerve signal, it travels down these wires and causes the posterior pituitary to release hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin. These hormones then go into your blood and act quickly. This setup allows the posterior pituitary to respond fast to your brain's signals, like during childbirth or when you're dehydrated. Now, the anterior pituitary works differently. It doesn't have direct nerve connections. Instead, it is controlled by hormones released from the hypothalamus. These hormones travel through special blood vessels called the hypophyseal portal system. Think of these vessels as a highway that delivers messages from your brain to the anterior pituitary. When the hypothalamus releases certain hormones, they tell the anterior pituitary to produce and releases its own hormones. These hormones then travel to other glands in your body, like the thyroid or adrenal glands, to tell them what to do. This hormonal control is slower but very precise. The control system also involves feedback loops. When your body's hormones reach a certain level, they send signals back to the hypothalamus and pituitary to slow down hormone production. This keeps everything in balance. If hormone levels get too high or too low, the system adjusts itself automatically. So, why does the pituitary gland need both neural and hormonal control? The answer is flexibility and speed. Neural control allows for quick responses to immediate needs, like stress or childbirth. Hormonal control provides a more sustained and regulated response, maintaining long-term balance. Together, these systems help your body stay stable and respond appropriately to different situations. In short, the pituitary gland uses neural signals to react rapidly and hormonal signals to manage ongoing functions. This dual control system makes it a key player in keeping your body working smoothly. It's a perfect example of how your nervous and endocrine systems work together to keep you healthy and balanced every day.